DIYers and bloggers everywhere are using IKEA furniture as blank canvases for upgrades, applying paint or switching out hardware to turn the basic products we know and love into custom pieces. Whether you're looking to spend less on a desk or can't quite seem to find the perfect bar cart, there's probably an IKEA hack that will let you change up an item to better suit your needs. We searched the internet to find the best IKEA hacks and found these beautiful IKEA hack projects that are easy to recreate. 35 of the most brilliant DIY IKEA hacks ever. 1. Drawers turned desk. Can't find a desk big or small enough? Just use these two $80 drawer units and a custom-sized surface for the top and make your own, like Shift Interiors did here. 2. Bookshelves turned home library. 3 $60 bookcases can be placed together to create a fabulous home library, complete with our envy-worthy ladder. 3. Mini drawers turned rustic filing cabinet. This $30 set of drawers can be easily transformed into a rustic filing cabinet. 4. Drawer chest turned chic bedside table. A fresh coat of paint and some new drawer pulls transforms a $50 chest of drawers into an elegant bedside table. 5. Storage bench turned functional small space mudroom. At the start of a busy day, an organized mudroom is key to getting out the door on time. This $100 storage bench is the perfect base to a functional storage space. 6. Wine rack turned herb garden. Have a green thumb? This $13 wine rack doubles as a shelf for a mini herb garden. 7. Kitchen drawer turned shoe storage. Slap some wheels onto this $20 kitchen drawer for some dreamy shoe storage. 8. Muffin pan turned herb garden. So many things you can do with muffin tins, including this $15 one, which holds fresh herbs which you can sprinkle on your meals. 9. Storage cabinet turned headboard. $60 for a 3-pack of storage cabinets later, and you've got yourself a brand new headboard that also stores linens, perfect for a small space. 10. Dresser turned desk with tons of storage. Turn this $149 3-drawer dresser into a beautiful desk, which will seamlessly fit into a small space. 11. Boring stool turned fun. These $30 wood stools are calling for a makeover and are easy to transform into fun dip stools. 12. Wardrobe turned statement piece. Give this $780 wardrobe a stylish wallpapered makeover. 13. Plastic stool turned chic faux Mongolian perch. These on-trend stools are everywhere at the moment, and most are super expensive. This one cost $7 plus supplies. 14. Standard white dresser turned chic side table. Yes, this $79 dresser can look like you splurged. 15. White dresser turned rustic. This white $200 dresser looks clean and sleek. 16. Bed slats turned bathroom wall organizer. A slatted $10 bed base can easily transform into wall storage for any room. 17. Basic bunk bed turned decorative. This $229 bunk bed frame offers a perfect canvas to get creative. 18. Wooden dresser turned modern. This $239 basic pine dresser can easily look like a modern masterpiece. 19. Steel plant shelf turned modern. Take this $27 steel plant stand up a decorative notch by adding on acacia wood details. 20. Heat trivet becomes jewelry holder. These $5 heat trivets that come in a pack of 3 make excellent wall jewelry holders. 21. Plain round mirror turned stylish wall accessory. Attach some affordable leather belts to this $30 mirror for additional character and style. 22. Kitchen cart turned chic bar cart kitchen island. Some paint, gold hardware, and a new surface makes this an incredibly stylish kitchen piece. 23. Crate turned pretty blanket storage. A coat of paint on this $15 crate is all you need to make it a beautiful storage box for throw pillows and blankets. 24. Shelf turned desk. This $48 shelf makes an excellent desk when you add some stylish legs. 25. Heat trivets turned corkboard. Stay organized with a custom corkboard using these $5 heat trivets. 26. Bookshelves turned kitchen island. These $59 bookshelves make an excellent kitchen island with ample cookbook storage. 27. Spice rack turned storage shelf. These $4 spice racks can be easily painted and transformed into fun wall storage. 28. Garden trellis turned inspiration board. This 2-pack garden trellis is $13. Hang it on your wall for an instant board to hang inspiration and memos. 29. Bookshelves turned stunning built-ins. Ever wonder how to make the $69 Billy bookcase look like a sleek built-in? 30. Bracket turned wall sconce. Make this IKEA bracket the best $2 you've ever spent by making this beautiful DIY wall sconce for your bedside. 31. Boring chair turned glam. A little spray paint and a furry throw blanket can make this simple IKEA chair look super snazzy. 32. Classic rug turned fun. Grab some spray paint and acrylic paint and transform a $15 IKEA rug into an adorable donut that your guests will love. 33. Plant pot turned pendant chandelier. Grab a few of these IKEA planters to create a genius and beautiful pendant chandelier to light up your room. 34. Lantern turned disco ball decor. This glitter lantern tutorial is super easy and would be the perfect addition to the next party you're hosting. 35. Laptop desk turned bar cart. Turn this $40 laptop desk into a beautiful, stylish bar cart.